Good day, sir. This is my short clip regarding about the impeachment of the case against Vice President Sara Duterte filed by Father Flavie Villanueva. Recently, an impeachment case was filed against Vice President Sara Duterte by Flavie Villanueva. Impeachment is a legal process used to investigate whether a government official has committed wrongdoing that could lead to removal from office. At this stage, the complaint is still under review and no final decision has been made. It is important to remember that accusation does not mean someone is already guilty. We should stay informed, think critically, and respect the legal process. Thank you.